Don't. Daisy under the covers. Oh, Daisy! Look at your sister, look at your sister. He's about to hit rape her too. Daisy, he said Daisy.
Look, Daisy looks like the Grudge.
With her hair all like that because of a baby. Oh, he's going under the covers. Oh, look at Herrera. She's like Indian right here.
Shut up! Get off. Get off. Get off. Stop. Don't get all pissed off. Oh my gosh, I have the same thing in my living room. You're only misbehaving in here.
She does? Why? She recording us? Can I be a good mom?
Let's moonwalk. Let's moonwalk. Let's moonwalk.
I don't know how to moonwalk.
I'm taller than you.
Stop. Please, Sam, turn around. Who's taller?
Your butt.